Is Prince Harry on the brink of a royal return? In a shocking revelation, friends of the prince claim he's seeking reconciliation with King Charles, willing to embrace a temporary royal role during his father's illness. But, can trust be rebuilt after all that's unfolded? And where does Meghan fit into this potential royal repatriation? Maureen Callahan delves into the bombshell claim about the Lost Prince of Montecito. In a bombshell report by the UK Times, the notion of Prince Harry considering a royal return to mend the rift with King Charles sends shockwaves. The reported offer of a temporary royal role is said to have tentative approval from Charles, prompting questions about the feasibility of such a reunion. The mere contemplation of Harry's return introduces the possibility of a seismic shift in the Windsor dynamics. With Charles embracing Harry and vice versa, the rift between Prince William and Harry may deepen. Meghan, oddly, remains largely unmentioned in this potential realignment. Amid the speculation, a royal insider suggests that Harry's return could benefit the institution, citing practical considerations for the family to support the king during his illness. The source acknowledges past hurts on both sides but sees a pragmatic opportunity for reconciliation. Notably absent in the Times report is Meghan's role in this potential reconciliation. While Harry speaks about his father's illness and hints at future visits, Meghan remains largely silent. The question arises, is she content pursuing her Hollywood ambitions, or is there a strategic silence to navigate this delicate situation? Maureen Callahan delves into the contradictions of Harry's recent actions. While contemplating a royal return, Harry also hints at becoming a U.S. citizen. The challenges of reputational rehab and potential conflict with William add complexity to the narrative. As the possibility of a royal return lingers in the air, questions abound. Can the damaged trust be rebuilt? What role does Meghan play in this potential reunion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's a wrap for today's exploration of the Lost Prince's potential return. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more intriguing insights on the famed journey.